Ads Pro 101, Add ads to WordPress site. Ads Pro is a WordPress plugin designed to help website owners create and manage advertisements on their websites. It offers a range of features to help you monetize your website by displaying ads, managing campaigns, and tracking performance. Here are some key features of Ads Pro. 1. Ad types. Ads Pro supports various types of advertisements, including banner ads, video ads, pop-up ads, floating ads, background ads, and more. You can create different ad formats to suit your needs and preferences. 2. Ad placement. The plugin allows you to place ads anywhere on your website using shortcodes, widgets, or custom placements. You can insert ads into posts, pages, sidebars, headers, footers, and other areas of your website. 3. Advanced targeting. Ads Pro offers advanced targeting options to help you display ads to specific audiences based on criteria such as location, device type, browser, operating system, user role, and more. You can target ads to specific user segments to maximize their relevance and effectiveness. 4. Scheduling and rotation. You can schedule ads to display at specific times or dates and set up ad rotation to show multiple ads in the same space. This allows you to maximize ad exposure and prevent ad fatigue among your audience. 5. Click and impression tracking. Ads Pro provides built-in tracking tools to monitor ad performance, including clicks, impressions, CTR, click-through rate, and conversion tracking. You can track ad performance in real time and analyze data to optimize your campaigns. 6. Ad management. The plugin includes features for managing ads, such as ad approval, ad expiration, ad management dashboard, ad statistics, and reporting. You can easily manage and track all your ads from a centralized interface. 7. Payment integration. Ads Pro supports integration with payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, and WooCommerce, allowing you to accept payments for ad placements. You can set up pricing models, pricing plans, discounts, and coupon codes for advertisers. 8. Customization options. Ads Pro offers customization options to match the look and feel of your website. You can customize ad layouts, colors, fonts, animations, and more to create ads that blend seamlessly with your website design. Overall, Ads Pro is a comprehensive advertising solution for WordPress websites, providing the tools and features you need to monetize your website through ad placements effectively. Whether you're a publisher looking to sell ad space or an advertiser looking to promote your products or services, Ads Pro offers a range of features to meet your needs.